First, let's start from scratch by importing our video to Premiere Pro 2023 and drag it into the timeline. You can speed up or slow down a whole video clip, or a specific part of it. To change the speed for only a part of it, drag the playhead to where you want the effect to start. Then select the razor tool, and left-click to cut it at the playhead. Right-click the part you want to speed up or slow motion, then select speed/duration. Under speed, the lower it is, the slower the video will be. This will make the video longer, and vice versa. Under time interpolation, select frame blending for smoother results. All done. Please subscribe.